Hey guys, this is Greg Van Winkle here. Wanted to reach out and let you guys know I am keeping my eyes on the road, by the way. So we're all good. Wanted you to know how awesome it is that you guys have a PDR, paintless dent removal retail shop in Arkansas. There's two of them. One's in Little Rock and one's in Conway. We have a 5,000 square foot facility to where we can put plenty of cars inside to take care of all your minor dents and dings. Of course, hail damage as well. There's not a lot of them around in the nation, and that's what we specialize in. 20 years of doing this, and we take a lot of pride into it. Go online and look at our shop. Look at it on Facebook, Dent Masters of Arkansas. You can see how nice our facility is. We want people to know that when you come to our shop, it's going to stay clean. There's going to be no dust. If we remove a door, remove a hood, or anything of that nature, there's no primer. There's no nasty oil smell or anything of that nature. If you really care about your car, you're tired of looking at those minor dings and dents every day. Every time you grab that door handle, you have to look at it. That's not the case. We're right here in Conway, Arkansas, and we can take care of you. We can make that dent go away, or even some of the smaller collision repairs. We do those as well. Check with us anyway. Estimate obviously is free. Sometimes you can text us photos, and we can give you an estimate or a price range through a photo. Feel free to do that as well. Check us out, dentmastersar.com, 807 Building Drive in Conway. You guys have a happy Friday.